guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Michael Studebaker, and today we're going to be talking about just the various ways that you can earn passive income with cryptocurrency in 2021 and just how you can start it. So if you haven't already, please subscribe, like the video, hit the notification bell if you want to see more content on personal finance and investing. Now, let's get straight into the video. So, just a disclaimer, this is not financial, legal, or tax advice, just opinion. I'm not an expert. I do not guarantee a particular outcome. I have no inside knowledge. You need to do your own research at the end of the day and make your own decisions based on that. This is just for education and entertainment purposes only. Investing and trading in cryptocurrencies is very risky, as anything can happen at any time. Many people use cryptocurrencies as an extension of their traditional investments. Historically, investors have diversified with the stock market, precious metals, and more. Of course, all of these investments are made with the intent to generate passive income. Now, let's get into it. So cryptocurrencies are becoming a normal part of that batch. Whether you've been in the investment game for a while now, or if you're just starting or getting started into it, know that there are many ways to earn passive income in cryptocurrency. In this video, we're going to be breaking down each method to help you get started as soon as possible. So the first method is invest. So number one way to get started earning passive income with cryptocurrencies is just to simply invest. If you buy a cryptocurrency at a low price and then it goes up over time, that's passive income. Some investors diversify into multiple cryptocurrencies, profiting off of Bitcoin as well as altcoins. This is the easiest way to get involved. Simply buy and plan for the best. From here, many investors claim it's best to hold. After all, the crypto space is considered by many to be quite nascent. Experts and financiers claim there's a long way to go before these assets hit their peak. If that logic is to be followed, now is a fantastic time to invest and hold for a while. Number two, staking. Staking is a newer passive income method in the world of cryptocurrency, but it's a pretty easy way to get started. Some blockchain networks are built on a proof of stake consensus method, meaning that blocks are verified by dedicated users of the network, rather than mining through proof of work. To become one of these users, you must stake, or basically means lock in the network's cryptocurrency. So each blockchain has its own minimum threshold of staking as well. Meeting those requirements ensures you become a validator, which is meaning the network is trusting you to verify transactions. All you need to do from here is leave your computer on and connect it to the network. As well as hold your staked funds in your network's wallet. So by doing so, you earn rewards. The more you stake, the more you earn. On top of this, staking is much better for the environment than mining. So you're doing good for the planet as well, on a plus side. Eventually, many blockchains networks will make the shift to proof of stake. Number three, lending. Staking and lending platforms are part of the decentralized finance wave. It's the moving of traditional finance to blockchain networks. With a traditional bank, your funds are lent out to others in the form of loans. You earn interest as a result of this, but a small rate decided by the bank. On a DeFi lending platform, however, you can also stake your assets and earn interest in the form of the network's token. Also, since there's no need for a third party, you can see anywhere from a 5 to 15% increase compared to traditional rates. That, and you can make your own loans on the side, alongside your staked assets being loaned out automatically. Essentially, you can profit on interest from the platform's lending as well as with your own loans. In return, the platform sees an increase in value for their tokens. It's a win-win situation. Number 4, cloud mining. If you can't or don't want to commit to a physical mining setup, you can always participate in cloud mining. So cloud mining is an act of putting money toward a cloud mining company. In turn, that company uses those funds toward their physical mining establishment. When it earns rewards, you're provided with your fair share in whichever cryptocurrency they support. The process is quite simple and it requires less of an upfront cost than traditional mining. However, it's worth noting that you won't get all of the rewards you normally would if you were mining yourself. So you got to keep that in mind. For some investors, this isn't a great deal. For others, it's the only way to get involved. One great cloud mining service is Stormgain's cloud mining platform. Should check them out. Platform allows you to mine without procuring any mining equipment, battery or CPU. It's fast and it's risk-free. I personally use NiceHash for my cloud mining, which I like, but they have been involved in some hacks in the past in 2017. So just remember to do your own research and decide for yourself. I would just recommend taking out your mining rewards as soon as the minimum transfer balance is met if you're using NiceHash. And that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, please subscribe, like the video, and hit the notification bell if you want to see more content on personal finance and investing. Now, you're aware of many other ways to generate cryptocurrency passive income. Hopefully one or more of these ways works for you. Getting started might not be the easiest thing in the world, but for most people, the effort is well rewarded. Take some time though to look at your funds, your situation, and understand which method works best for you. Maybe budget out your money to get a head start on mining or staking, for example. There's no wrong way to get started. To get started is the best way. And the best passive income experts bring in money from more than one source. So, thank you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.